Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Lunar New Year. It's the year of the tiger and today I'm going to be using my new Maniology stamping plate to create a Year of the Tiger themed nail art design. I'm starting off with 2 coats of Sally Hansen's Cherry Delightful, which is a classic red cream polish. I'm going to be using tape to mask off part of my nail, so I'm also going to apply a coat of a fast drying glossy top coat, and then I'm going to take a piece of regular Scotch tape and place that down the center of my nail to mask off the left half, and then I'm going to use What's Up Nails Go for Gild, which is a beautiful gold stamping polish, to stamp this tiger print design on the right half of that nail. On my ring fingernail and my pinky nail, I stamped the gold tiger print on the entire nail, so I didn't use any tape to mask it off. And then I just applied a layer of a fast drying glossy top coat. You could totally leave it as is, but I wanted to spice it up just a little bit more, so I applied another layer of a glossy top coat, and then I'm using my wax pencil to pick up these 1mm round gold studs, and I'm placing those directly down the center of my middle nail where the tiger print meets the red. And if you want these studs to last a little bit longer, I'd recommend using something stronger like a nail glue. And here is the finished design. So that's all for today's quick and easy nail art video. Again, happy Lunar New Year, and if you want to shop this Maniology plate or any other Maniology products, you can use my discount code caramel10 for 10% off. I will leave some links down below, but anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!